Welcome. If you're looking to stay ahead in your hiring process, enabling email notifications for candidate recommendations on LinkedIn is a smart move. With LinkedIn's latest update, it's now easier than ever to receive timely suggestions for top candidates right in your inbox. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you set it up on your PC. First, open your preferred browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features. At the top right corner of the LinkedIn homepage, you'll see your profile picture labeled as Me. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From here, select Settings to enter your account preferences. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Notifications tab. This is where you can manage all the alerts and updates LinkedIn sends you, including those related to hiring. Next, scroll down or navigate to the section labeled Hiring Someone. Under this category, you'll find various options related to job posts and candidate management. Click on Job Posts to expand more detailed settings. Now, locate the Candidate Recommendations option. This is the feature that allows LinkedIn to suggest potential candidates for your open roles based on your job postings and search activity. To start receiving these recommendations via email, simply enable the email toggle. Once switched on, LinkedIn will send you notifications about recommended candidates directly to the email address associated with your account. That's it. With these notifications enabled, you'll never miss out on promising candidates who could be the perfect fit for your team. If you ever want to adjust or disable these alerts, just revisit the same settings and toggle the option off. Staying updated on candidate recommendations can make your hiring process smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check your inbox for those valuable LinkedIn updates.